everybody, it's time for your maths lesson again. So like I said yesterday, this week we are going to be focusing on numbers all week. Now we're going to do something slightly different every day just to get those brains ticking and rewinding all of our learning to freshen us up. So today we are going to be doing number bonds, and we're going to be doing number bonds to 20. So we're going to have to rewind right to the start of our online learning. So I want to see those rewinds happening. Go. And we're going to use our STEM sentence. Now, it is going to be is a part, is a part, is the whole. So if you want to pause that and write it down now, then you can. Okay, so today our whole every single time is going to be 20 because we're going to do number bonds up to 20. Now, I'm going to remind you of this model here, our part, whole model. So this part is the whole. And these parts are the parts. Now, my class, we always remember this looks like the head and these are like the arms and the hands. So with our STEM sentence, we would say, is a part, is a part, is the whole. Now, our whole is going to be 20. Now, this lesson, I'm going to be giving you lots of different numbers that will form a part. And what you've got to do is find out the missing part to make the number bond to 20. So, we're going to have a little go together. Now, the first one I'm going to put in here is going to be, I'm going to put the number 17. Okay, and I'm going to say my STEM sentence to you now. So, 17 is a part, is a part, 20 is the whole. So 17 is a part, 20 is the whole. So I've got to find out the missing number that I need to make 20. So because 17 is quite close to 20, what I'm going to do is put 17 in my head. I want to see 17 in your head. Are you ready? Boop, 17, and I'm going to count to 20. So 18, 19, 20. I need 3 more to get to 20 from 17. So I know my missing part is 3. So I'm going to do my STEM sentence again for you, and this time I'm going to complete it. So are we ready? I want to see those hands go in. 17 is a part, 3 is a part, 20 is the whole. Now I know that you've got super big brains, so you could write a number sentence next to it. I'm going to write 17 plus 3 equals 20. And I could also write 3 add 17 equals 20. Okay, now, there is that way of counting up, but there are different methods that you can use. So, I'm going to start with a new number. So I'm going to rub this one out now. There we go. This time, I am going to have the number 5. Okay, so 5 is a part, 20 is the whole. I have got to find that missing whole. Now, I could put 5 in my head and I could count all the way up to 20. So I'm going to do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I know the answer is 15. So I know 15 is my missing part. But what I could also do is think, what number could I get to first? And I could draw a number line. And I could start on 5, and I know that to get to 10, I need to add 5. And I know that 10 add 10 is 20. So I know again that 15 is my missing part. Now some of you will find that tricky, and that is okay, so I would like you to count in your head. If you like this method, you can use that method, or you could even use objects in your house. So, I know my whole amount is always going to be 20. Now, you're at home, so you probably don't have cubes. I'm actually in school, and I can't find any cubes. So I found a bag of pom-poms. Okay, so I'm going to count out 20 pom-poms. So, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and that is my whole amount. Now, I originally had 5 as a part, so I'm going to count out 5 pom-poms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to put them onto the desk out of the way because I know that 5 is a part. I'm going to see how many are left over to make my 20. So I'd like you to count with me. Are you ready? Let's go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have got exactly the same answer. So 5 is a part, 15 is a part, 20 is my whole. Now you can use whatever method you like. You can count up in your head, you could make your own number line, or you could use some objects. Now you need to get 20 objects out each time because that is your whole amount. You could use bits of pasta, you could use sweets, you could use Cheerios or any other cereals. It's completely up to you to help you. Okay, so I have got 3 challenges for you today. It's completely up to you if you want to just do challenge 1, if you want to do challenge 1 and challenge 2, or if you want to do all of the challenges. It's completely up to you, depending on how easy or how difficult you find it. You do what you'd like to do. So I'm going to go through them now and explain what to do. Okay, so this is challenge number 1. I've got the part whole model. All I'd like you to do is to tell me the missing part. So we've got 13 is a part, is a part, 20 is the whole. Again, you can count in your head, use objects or draw your own number line. Now, if you'd like, you could write the number sentence next to it as well. So 13 add something equals 20 and something add 13 equals 20. It's completely up to you. So that is challenge 1. Please pause the screen now for your first challenge. Okay, challenge number 2, our whole is still 20, but this time we've got 3 parts. So, exactly the same, you get your 20 objects, move 5 to the side, 10 to the side, see how many left over for your missing part. You can do a number sentence as well to go with it. Okay, so pause the screen now. And finally, we have got challenge number 3, your tricky challenge. So here we have got 3 parts, but it is blank, so you can make up your own numbers. They have just got to all add up to 20. Here we have got 4 parts. Again, there is no numbers there, so you can make them up yourselves. Okay, then we've got some blank number sentences. 10 add 4 add something equals 20. 17 add 1 add something equals 20. And this time we have got the equal sign at the front. Okay, so have fun, do whichever ones that you'd like to do. I will see you tomorrow. We have got a addition task tomorrow where we've got to solve a special code to win a prize, okay? So use your head, use a number line, or get some objects, however you want to do it, okay? I can't wait to see your work. See you later.